How to turn off birthdays SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off birthdays SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and you just click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click notifications. Now just click birthdays and here you will find SMS. Just turn it off and go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.